Greetings! I've had several questions recently in regards to weight transference and the weight distribution as you're stepping and moving through Taiji and even through a lot of the stances we use in Qigong. There's a tendency to let your weight move too far forward into the ball of the foot, and when that happens you'll have a chance of straining your knee and your back depending on the posture. So I'm just going to show you a side step, front to back step, and kind of explain how that works. When we do a side step, for instance, like when we're doing cloud hands, when you do the side step, of course it's an empty step, so the foot touches unweighted. Now the foot flattens and then the weight transfers so that there's an even distribution of weight into that side that you're moving towards. And then of course the follow step is unweighted also, and when I move the weight back, the weight is evenly distributed, not in the ball of the foot or the heel, but even distribution through the whole foot. So it's a light touch, complete transfer of weight with even distribution through the bottom of the foot, and then your follow step. Now when we move front to back, for instance, like on a parent close and push the mountain, after you've done parry and punch, my front foot has an even distribution of weight through it. My back foot, of course, the heel is up, so there's just about 20% of the weight there. As I step back, I'm going to touch the toe, empty or unweighted. All the weight transfers, even distribution of weight through that foot, and then I'll follow step back, empty or unweighted, and I've got all the weight evenly distributed through my back foot now. Now as I move forward, I'm going to touch the heel unweighted, and then transfer the weight, even distribution, follow step. Now, one of the things that happens when we move forward is the weight tends to move too far forward and may even lean into the movement. Just that little bit of movement takes all the pressure off my heel. I want to make sure that weight is evenly distributed so I don't overextend the weight and move the weight too far forward to strain the knee. So we want to be really mindful of unweighted or empty stepping, and we also want to be mindful of the transfer of weight as it's happening, and stop the weight transfer once the weight's evenly distributed through the weighted side, whether it's front to back, forward, sideways, whatever direction you're moving in. And same thing with our stances in Qigong. If you let the weight move too far forward, you're going to end up tilting, leaning, and straining the knee and the back. If these videos are helpful to you, you can contribute toward them at patreon.com/edkeough. Thanks for watching.